Would you buy a renovated home in Tampa, St. Pete, or Clearwater, even if it could cost you millions later? Buyer beware, right? And check this out. A New Jersey couple just lost $1.5 million in their sale over unpermitted work. And the same risk is possible here. It's exploding on the Suncoast after last year's hurricanes. Hi, and welcome. I'm Keith Connors. Thank you for checking out the Suncoast Tampa Real Estate Channel. I do appreciate you stopping by. Hey, remember, if you are thinking about buying or selling a home here on the Suncoast, you can grab that free home buyer guide or the home seller guide. The links are below in the description. Yeah, they're both packed with good information that'll save you a lot of time and in the end save you a lot of money. Now let's talk about renovations. Here's what happened. A couple was getting ready to sell their home. They're on the Jersey Shore. They poured nearly $400,000 into renovations. Everything, new kitchen, bathroom, roof, HVAC, but they skipped one important step: permits. A federal judge ruled they hid unpermitted work. Yeah, voided their $1.5 million sale, and they started facing daily fines and even possible demolition. Ouch. Why does this matter here in Tampa? Well, because after last year's hurricanes, we're seeing a wave of fast fix and flip homes hitting the market. Yeah, fresh paint, new cabinets, shiny tile, but what's hiding behind the walls? Did they get permits? Did they bring electrical and structural work up to code? Really? Through the years, we've helped many sellers get proper mold and water remediation repairs and even upgrades with licensed contractors. Yes, they pull permits for everything: roofers, plumbers, electricians, everybody. Now for sellers, cutting costs may feel like you're saving a lot of money, but it can cost you your entire sale and possibly much more. For buyers, remember, don't just fall in love with renovated. Ask for the permit history, do your homework, hire a tough inspector, and sometimes it might actually be smarter and safer to buy the house as is, that hasn't been flipped, and do the work yourself the right way. You can build that money into your offer if you have to. Here's my PMA hit: positive mental attitude. Remember, doing it right the first time always pays off. Shortcuts, on the other hand, rarely ever do. So here's the deal. If you're buying or selling on the Florida Suncoast, Tampa, St. Pete, Clearwater, don't hesitate to reach out. I'll help you avoid these kinds of disasters. Check the links below if you're buying or just curious. Of course, you can search every home at suncoasttamparealestate.com. If you're selling or just thinking about it, you can see your current home value. It's fast and easy. That's at whatismyhomereallyworth.com. Or you can even request a cash offer at easycashclosing.com. Hey, thanks again for checking out the video. Please leave a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What's going on in your neighborhood? And before you go, please like this video and, of course, share it with someone you know, someone you love, or even someone you like just a little bit. See you next time on the beach or in the next video. Peace.